Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are a subscriber, welcome. If you're new here, my name is Maria, Mari, Mary, whatever you want to call me, as long as it's a good name, not a bad name. And if it is a bad name, keep it to yourself. I don't want to know. Anyways, you guys, I'm here to give you guys a review on the new Huda Beauty Wild Python palette. I know there's 4 of these that came out, but this is the one I went for because obviously the color story called my attention the most. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and share with you my thoughts and obviously creating a look with it. So if you want to see how I created this look and more of this palette, just please keep on watching. Here it is, you guys, the Wild Python palette by Huda Beauty. Absolutely stunning. I love the packaging. I love that it has like a reflection to it, and the feel of the palette, you guys, it feels really nice. And obviously this green is so vibrant, so pretty. I believe there is three other palettes that came out in this collection, which is the Jaguar, the Tiger, and the Chameleon. Sephora only carries 3, which is the Chameleon, the Python, and the Jaguar. And I ended up getting this one, you guys, because this one just, it caught my attention so much. I love the color story on this one. I obviously like the color story on the other ones, but I really just wanted to give this one a try first. And this palette does retail for $29, you guys. I believe Sephora only carries 3, like I said, online and in store. So yeah, it just came out August 17 as well, so go ahead and check it out. I'm actually going to start off with the eye look that I'm going to be doing today, and go ahead and prime my lids. And for primer, I'm using the Anastasia eye primer. I'm going to just apply some onto the back of my hand and then just grab it with the brush because I don't want to put too much on my eyelid and then it's gonna get all messy. So I'm going to use this P. Louise brush for this and just apply it on my eye. And this blending brush, this is a Makeup Shack brush, you guys. I like to just blend out all the primer all over my lid. Okay, one thing that I do love about this palette, you guys, is that it has a mirror to it, which is pretty awesome. You don't have to just put down the palette and grab a mirror. You can just use it all at once. So to start off, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and use this shade right here. I believe there is no names, but I know that in the back of the packaging it does have like blue shimmer and bright green shimmer, acid green matte. Like it just says that, but it doesn't have any names, which is fine. That doesn't bug me at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off the plastic from the mirror just so I can see myself a little better. So I'm gonna start off with this shade. Like I said, I'm just gonna grab a Makeup Shack blending brush and I'm just going to apply it all over my crease. And I did not set this primer, you guys. I really wanted to just pop out. I don't wanna set with any translucent powder, just leave it like that. So I'm gonna tap off any excess powder and apply it onto my crease. Wow, it's really pigmented, you guys. Right away, grabbed on like quickly, which is nice. Such a pretty shade as well. Okay, you guys, so I blended out really nicely. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a clean Morphe blending brush and I'm just going to blend out even more. Since this is like just my transition shade, I don't want it to be too intense, so I'm just gonna blend that out. And obviously, you guys, I don't know if I want to go in with any shimmer shade today. I kind of just want to keep it very matte, so I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. This is just calling my name. I think that this is the reason why this palette caught my attention so much, because of this lime green right here. I don't have many palettes with blues or greens in it, so this is the palette that really caught my attention. So I'm gonna go ahead and, you know what, I'm gonna use a Morphe M166 brush for this, which is an eyeshadow brush, and just apply it right onto the lid. I want to go in with a shimmer, but I rarely do matte shades. So okay, so it's grabbing on really nicely, really nice. Okay, such a beautiful green. Really stunning shade. And it grabbed on really nice, very pigmented. Okay, stunning. Have that green there. I'm gonna go in and intensify the outer corner, and I'm gonna go in with this dark brown right here, which is a beautiful matte brown. And I'm just going to apply it with my Morphe M506 brush, and I'm just gonna apply it here on the end of the outer corner of the eyelid and just blend it up to the crease. Nothing too hard to do, just very easy. Okay, you guys, and now I'm gonna go ahead and grab a clean blending brush. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this Morphe and Ariel blending brush, and I'm just gonna blend out the edges. I'm just gonna grab another blending brush, and I'm gonna blend out more of the brown. I just kind of want it to look very smoky. I don't want it to look, I want it to look very well blended. Okay, you guys, so this is what the shadows look like. I absolutely love the lime green. I love that I smoked out the outer corner with the dark brown and that orangey color. So now I'm going to apply some lashes. I really wanted to use, I did get the Life Liner Quick and Easy as well, but I'm just going to save it for another video, because obviously I really love how the green just pops out like that on its own, and I feel like the liner is just kind of gonna, I feel like it's going to get in the way, and I don't want that. And I'm just going to apply some Batty B lashes in the style, I think these are in the style Pretty. Yeah, they're in the style Pretty, and I just love that they have like a wing to it like that, so you can still see the green, but the outer of the lash just kind of just sticks out like that. I really love that. I'm back and the lashes are on, and my bad about giving you guys the wrong lashes. They are Batty B lashes, but they're in the style Candy, and obviously I love how they look. And for eyeliner, you guys, I did use the Beauty Creations Dare to Be Bright gel liner in Tiptoe, but I'm very unsure of what to do under my eye, like if I should add any color. And I think I am. I'm actually going to add some of this orangey shade right here underneath the eyes. I really wanted to do a black liner, but I feel like it would be just way too much, and it would just kind of like make everything, it will kind of make the green not pop out as much. So I'm just gonna do I'm gonna do actually this orangey, the one I had used at first. I was gonna do this one, but I like this orangey better for this look. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some underneath the eye, just like that. So I had to lower my tripod, you guys, obviously, because I feel like I had it really high. But other than that, you guys, this is the look and this is what it came out to be. I really love the pop of green and this smokiness I did in the corner. I wanted to use a quick and easy liner, but like I said, I really want the green to just, I wanted the green to just pop out a lot. And obviously that's why I used these lashes, and these lashes are so stunning, you guys. These are from Batty B Lashes in the style, I did mention it, they're in the style Candy, and they're so pretty. But anyways, you guys, I really love this palette. I'm glad I chose this one. I kind of want to get the Chameleon palette, but I think I'm just going to wait and keep doing creating looks with this one. Meanwhile, I am going to use the quick and easy liner on my next look. Obviously, I'm going to keep it, I don't know. I kind of want to use, I really want to use the shimmers next time, but I kind of want to use this green on it like by itself. But I don't know, you guys, we'll see. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you did watch to the end, thank you so much. It means a lot to me. Don't forget to hit the like button if you did like this video, and please subscribe to my channel, please. And yeah, comment down something sweet if you feel like it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.